Hey everybody, I'm Michael Dagler, and today I'm going to be doing an overview of Apify's agent skills for Claude Code. So first things first, we need to first create a environment file, and we need to put an Apify token in there for these skills to actually work. So you're going to create an environment file like this, and then I will grab my API key and it's set. And so now we need to actually run the command to add these skills before we open up Claude Code. So there's a couple ways you can do this. You can add it through the / plugin and add it as a marketplace, or I prefer to just run npx. So I'll type npx skills, add Apify agent skills. Once you do this, it's going to ask you to install the following packages. You're going to say yes, and then it's going to ask you to select which skills you want installed. So these are all the skills that they currently have installed. So you can see there's Apify Actor development. We'll definitely want that one. Actorization, so converting existing projects to a actor. And Apify audience analysis. I'm just going to add all of these, honestly, for the sake of the video, because we don't know which ones we'll need yet. And once you've selected the ones you want, you will select which agents do you want to install. So they support AMP, Anti-Gravity, Augment, Claude Code, OpenClaw, Klein, CodeBuddy, Codex, Command Code, Continue, Crush, Cursor, Droid, Gemini CLI. They support. So I'm just going to stick with Claude Code for this video. So I'll hit enter, and I would recommend to just install it at the project scope, not the global scope, because you may want to use different skills in different projects, and maybe you won't need all 12. We're going to continue with the installation. Great. Now, when I open Claude Code, let me show you what I can actually do. So, let's say I want to learn more about OpenClaw. That's a new project that came out. It's all the rage on X. So I would say something like, could you research OpenClaw developments and news using the ultimate scraper skill for Apify and save it to a markdown file. Please include links from your research. So as you can see, it's loaded the Apify Ultimate Scraper skill, and it's going to ask you to export the environment variable. So you'll just say yes. And I'll let this run, and I'll get back to you once it is done, and we can look at the final output. Now it's asking us if we want to create this markdown file. I will say yes. And if we look in our project directory, we can see it's here. So if I open it up, we have an entire summary using the ultimate scraper skill. So let's try something else. Let's say I'm a marketer and I'm looking to promote my product and I want to find influencers to promote this product. So I will simply say, I am looking for YouTubers that are working in AI development and can promote my product, apify.com, and save it to a markdown file. And please include their links as well as a brief summary of what they usually talk about. So as you can see, it says it can help me, and it's going to be using the Apify Influencer Discovery skill. And right here we can see what it's going to be doing. It's going to be looking for the actor YouTube scraper, and it's going to be calling that. So I hit yes, it should start running the actor and collecting the results. Okay, so it looks like it's done. So if I open up the Influencers MD, we can see a few YouTube channels that were found by the Influencer Discovery skill. Okay, so let's take it a step further. So I just added a skill for MCPC, and this is for the MCP CLI that Apify also created. It is a universal MCP interface that you can use in the command line. And it's not really that cool for a person, but for Claude Code to use, it's actually very helpful. So let's see what we can do with it. I have this list of influencers that we just found. So maybe I want to save it to my Notion. Maybe I'll say, could you save the AI YouTubers markdown file to my Notion as a new page called AI YouTube Influencers for Apify? As you can see, I already have the Notion MCP session set up. And so it checked to see if I had an active session for it, and I did. And so it's asking me to re-authenticate for Notion, so I will simply do that really quick. Run the command. Okay, I just authorized the MCP server for Notion. Please try again. So it's getting the available tools for the Notion MCP, and now it's going to create the content for the Notion page. All right, and it looks like it's saved to the Notion page. So I click this link, go into my Notion, and here it is. AI YouTube influencers for Apify. Okay, so we just covered using the Apify agent skills and how to set that up in Claude Code, and covered some use cases that it could be used for, and then also how to extend that beyond just having them stay within Claude Code, but also using the MCP CLI by Apify to make it a bit more powerful. So if you want to play around with this yourself, I will leave the links to both the Apify agent skills GitHub repo as well as the MCP CLI GitHub repo in the description below. And yeah, comment any questions or concerns you might have. Peace.